Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing Salatat bataata. So look, I'll probably make a meal of that. It's a Lebanese style potato salad. I've got a little recipe for it. Well, I might as well share this with you. Here we've got 6 potatoes, right? And we're going to peel them. And if you don't know how to peel them, well, that's what they'll look like when they're peeled. You get a potato peel, you run it across the peel, and they'll look like that. Then we're going to get a knife, and we're going to go choppity chop, 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 and make nice little chunks of potato just like that, right? Don't need to show you how to do all of that. This is a pretty quick, easy recipe. Right. Okay, so we've got a nice large saucepan here, right, and nice little dash of salt, right. So put that in, just a little bit of cooking salt. I'm going to go cover those potatoes with a bit of water. I'm going to put my little cooker on. I'm going to put that on about sort of 30%, maybe 40% heat. And we're just going to let that cook off. And here I've got a 1/4 cup's worth of lemon juice. I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup's worth of oil. Use canola, vegetable, olive, whatever oil you like, even peanut oil, or if you need to, sometimes a bit of avocado oil will do. I'm going to put in about 1/2 teaspoon's worth of Lebanese 5 spice. I'm also going to add in just a little bit of freshly ground black pepper. That can go straight in, probably about sort of 1/2 teaspoon's worth. And if you don't have the Lebanese 5 spice, you could just use about 1/2 teaspoon's worth of allspice. I've just added in a little bit of dried parsley into that, and make sure we keep that bench nice and clean. And I've put that into an old jar, which I've washed, of course, and I keep these little jars just to make dressings up really nice and quick. Give all of that a bit of a shaky shake, just like that, and that's going to incorporate the oil and lemon juice together. And there you go, we've got our little dressing ready. Right, potatoes are cooked just through. Don't want them too mushy, we just want a nice little bit of firmage to them, and we've just drained that out over the sink. I'm going to add in about sort of 1/2 handful's worth of fresh parsley and a little bit of chives. You could use spring onion. I'm going to use chives this time because it's a little bit softer on the palate. The spring onion can be a little bit rough. Give that a little bit of a turn around. Let's get a better spoon than that, and we're just going to get a salad type spoon or even a serving type spoon. Just give that all a bit of a turn around, just like that. And if you haven't made a potato salad using a vinaigrette style before, really nice and different. You know, it makes a nice change from the creamy type. I'm just going to give that all a bit of a stir, combine, and get those potatoes all covered in that dressing. And those potatoes will soak up a lot of that dressing quite quickly, believe it or not. Alright, so here we've got our Salatat bataata. If I've got that right, I'm going to serve that up with some lamb, and you serve that up with any type of meat that you like. Love to see you try and make this one at home. The flavours are amazing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time a new video goes up, and share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get them a KP's Kingdom out there. Please leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. But in the meantime, if you want to learn how to make another really nice side dish which works in all seasons, just like this one, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to eat my Lebanese potato salad, and I will catch you next time. Bye.